Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you another really useful application in the Must Try AI to Sync Canva series. Here in the part 30, the application what I will show you, this is a image splitter. It's a pretty straightforward application. We can cut a image to pieces. As you can see, it's pretty easy to use. So I highly recommend it, and it's really useful, really nice application. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So as usual, first I'm going to the application and check what is it. So easily create seamless social carousels and grids. This is what the application telling us. Was developed by CANVA'S. Hope so I pronounce his name properly. So he made a really good job, and the application, as I mentioned already, is highly recommended. So how can we really use? Like for example, if you would like to create a carousel for the Instagram. So if you're going to the social media tab and searching for a Instagram post, the new 4.5, which is 1080 by 1350 pixels, and we would like to create a carousel with three images together. Actually, we would like to create a 3 image wide image, actually, a three Instagram post wide image, and this we would like to cut this image to 3 pieces. So the thing what we need, so this one is 180 by 1350 pixels. We have to multiply the 1080. We have to the width. So just closing this tab, going to the custom size. If the system allows me. So let's try it again. So custom size, now it's opened. So we need the width, that's 3 times 1080, which is a 3240 pixels, and the height is 1350 pixels. Due to this is the original height of the Instagram post. So we have the new Canva, which is actually 3 Instagram post size. So I just need to create an image, but at the moment I just use a template. So this template is actually just fit the whole image. So the whole canvas, sorry. And we just need to go to the app section and searching for image splitter. This is the application, and as you can see, I already made this before that, so that's the system just remember me. Number of rows we can increase to 10. Also the columns, but now the columns I just need 3, and the number of the row just 1. So in this case we have 3 Instagram posts next to each other, and just click on split image. I just add the new page, and as you can see, and I'm just adding the image to here. The second one to here, and the third one to here. No, sorry, this is not the third one. This is the third one. Sorry. So this is the third one. Yes. Okay, now we don't have want to have what we want at the moment, but as you can see, the 3 images are created. If you would like to download it, just open a new Canva page. I said Canva. And go into the social media. Open this Instagram post, this 4x5. And just add 3 pages. To here already can. No, this is not what I want. Ah, okay. As you can see, we already have the carousel for these 3 Instagram posts. This is really straightforward, very easy to use. The only thing what I don't like, actually it's not a bad thing, these images are here and we cannot downloading it one by one. From here also we cannot downloading it, so we just need to open an additional Canva page with the size of what we need. So this is the Instagram post size, and just adding one by one the images, which is not so difficult. Just maybe it's easier if we can download images, or if the system immediately uploading those images to the upload section. But anyhow, the application is really good, really easy to use. As you can see, made a pretty good job. So again, thanks for the developer. It's a pretty good one. I really like it. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you also like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if I missed anything from the tutorial or you struggling anything in the Canva. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also, sorry. As I mentioned, you can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.